I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am making an early breakfast of sabudana khichdi. I am adding potatoes and sabudana in 1:1. I've soaked 1 cup of sabudana in 3/4 cup of water overnight, and now I've tossed it with some roasted crushed peanuts. It just enhances the taste. Adding 2 to 4 tablespoons of coriander makes a huge difference. Anshuman had to leave for work really early, so we started very early in the morning.
Hello, my heart beats, hello again. Between the worries, we head for land. I will be fighting to hold the line. We're never hiding, we never lie. And I'll be coming home. Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Oh, some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your
We all have multiple things on our to-do list, but pausing in between work for small little act of care really helps. It not just makes you feel more energetic, but also makes you happier. Learning to pause in between work is actually, I feel, is an art, or just a gift to yourself for self-care. Pausing in between and doing small act of self-care not only makes you a happier person, but it reduces a lot of anxiety, and you're able to accomplish more effectively and efficiently.
Yeah, I want it all, could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium.
In my last video, I organized my nightstand and also established a nighttime and a morning time routine. Basic skincare and some mindful activity to do before bed. By far, it has been going really well. I like to track all these little activities in my bullet journal as well, so that I do not miss them for more than a day or so. I have understood if I don't take care of myself, I will never be able to take care of my loved ones. Self-care is not a luxury, but actually a necessity if you truly care about others.
Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live.
Since we are talking self-care, have you ever wondered why do we have those special things for special occasions, like special bed sheets, special crockeries, special dress for vacation? Why don't we celebrate our everyday? Why don't we try to make us happy? Why it's such a luxury to get into a beautiful dress and feel good about it? Well, it's just lying in the wardrobe. I began breaking this mindset by doing the bed right. I invested in some clean, white, crisp bed sheets, and I have never looked back. Even after a long, tiring, horrid day, I had a clean bed waiting, which can give me comfort and warmth. There is no special crockery in my house which is limited to some special guests at home. We try and use every little piece that we own for our everyday, because I am special and my family is always more than special than any of the guests. Can you resonate with this? Can you guess what's the current luxury for me? To travel without seeing the calendar. Let me know which all of you have the same luxury issues. Can you travel even without seeing the calendar? I have soaked the millets overnight. That does two things. One, of course, it helps in cooking them really fast. Second, it also helps in digestion, and nutrition from the millets gets easily absorbed. Cooking the millets in a cook pot not only helps to keep them very fluffy, again, it helps to keep the nutrition in the millets intact. So I kind of avoid cooking millets in pressure cooker unless I'm making a khichdi. I'll make a quick stir fry sauce using soya sauce, Szechuan sauce, and tomato sauce. The detailed recipe is on your screen. I have finely diced all the stir fry vegetables, and to this I am adding nicely chilled millets. This makes them extra fluffy and the taste is just ever so divine. Now here one tip: while you are sauteing garlic, make sure that you're constantly stirring. And number 2, even before you start, all your veggies, millets, oil and sauces are absolutely handy. I have taken out the burnt garlic millet fried rice for Ishi, and to the rest of the mixture I am adding all the stir fry sauce. Do give this recipe a try. It is super simple and it is ever so flavorsome.
The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near is open for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes. You've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home. Bright lights and colors, love is for the ones who dare to wait. No use in running when all I really want is to make you stay. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home.
Despite my days are becoming busier and busier, I am trying my best to do things that makes me super happy. I used to stitch clothes for my dolls, I think when I was in class 3 or 4, and then used to sell them to my friends for 50 paisa, 20 paisa. Those were such golden days. My mom used to give me all sorts of scrap clothes, and I used to pretend as a fashion designer. I used to use my Barbie doll as a mannequin or a body form to stitch different types of clothes. Those days and those memories were pure joy. Making every day special by doing little things throughout the day. Maybe that's luxury that we all need to have in some form or the other. Don't you think? I'm making some roasted makhanas using nutritional yeast and zatar. It's 2 separate types. Nutritional yeast is a dehydrated, inactive form of yeast. It adds a very nice nutty flavor. And zatar is a Middle Eastern spice, and it has a very distinct, tangy, herby taste.
The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near is open for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes. yes, you've been here for quite some time. But my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way. 'Cause my heart screams, let me carry you home. Bright lights and colors, love is for the ones who dare to wait. No use in running when all I really want is to make you stay. My mind says yes, you've been here for quite some time.
If you enjoyed till here, consider subscribing to the channel and leave me a teacup in the comments, as I'll know that you have watched till the end. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.
I don't